And here is the fourth final round of finding major and minor sharp and flat key signatures. And it is A minor, and we're finding the flat minor key signatures. And so we go to scale degree 4. And so let's go to scale degree 4, and it is D, and that will have one flat, and it will be straight from the order of flats, B flat. So it's D minor. Again, scale degree 4 is G. So G minor will have two flats. Straight from the order of flats, it's B flat and E flat. And our pattern continues with scale degree 4, and that will be C minor. And now let's go from A minor to A flat minor with our flats and our order of flats. A minor will have no flats. Scale degree 4 is D, and that will have one flat. Scale degree 4, G, 2. Scale degree 4, C, 3. Scale degree 4, F. Scale degree 4, B flat. Scale degree 4, E flat, 6. And scale degree 4, A flat, which is 7. And again, you need to write out your flats in a certain pattern. It'll be B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, C flat, and F flat. And it must always look like that.